Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show how you can connect your YouTube channel with vidIQ. vidIQ is very beneficial for our YouTube channel as it shows the stats and analytics of our channel. So let's start how we can connect our YouTube channel with vidIQ. Write vidIQ in the Google Chrome. You can see the option of add extension at the top of the interface. Click add extension and download vidIQ. Now the extension of vidIQ has successfully installed in your browser. Here you can see the channel of vidIQ and you can subscribe it if you want. This interface of vidIQ gives you the option to select the topic or to sign up. This is a paid version of vidIQ, but we are not going to pay anything in order to connect our channel with vidIQ. We click the option of free sign up. You have to write that email address which you have used in your channel, or you can sign up with Google. In both scenarios you have to put the password of your YouTube channel. After putting the required information, a new interface of vidIQ is opened. Here you can click the option of connect to your channel. Select the Gmail which you have put it in your channel and then tick both the checkbox and then continue. So you are there to done. Now vidIQ will ask some quick questions about your channel. You have to write the niche of your channel and then continue. After completing this, open your channel and check that there is an additional blue icon which have added to your channel. This icon will show the analytics of your channel. Here you can check the views of your channel, overview of your channel and get the AI suggestions completely free. I hope you find vidIQ very interesting. So don't forget to like and subscribe.